everyone, I'm SC, here to announce a new series we're launching called Making It, From Pre-Production to Screen, where we take you through the process of self-producing a project step by step. The series will follow my journey as I write and direct a pilot presentation that will serve as a proof of concept for a television show. Each episode will highlight a specific part of the pre-production process. You'll get to see us rewrite the script to fit our budget, because what it means is cut a critical part of the script. We'll show you how to hold auditions, even if that means a 12-hour day in a tiny room.
Oh, dear God!
We'll show you how to hire a quality crew.
Yay! I'm excited. This sounds fun.
And what happens when people drop out the day before the shoot. Our sound guy dropped out. Witness the highs of filmmaking, but also the lows.
I'm declaring it official. We have no location as of now.
You're being ridiculous. What are we doing? We're sitting here talking to you.
Jesus Christ, I can't do this.
And by the end, you'll see the team here at Studio Binder produce this proof of concept.
We have one day. Let's make it happen.
We will wrap this thing no matter what.
And then we'll premiere it right here.
And you have to ask yourself, who am I really in here?
If you're a filmmaker or even just curious about the process, you don't want to miss out. Lastly, if you have your own idea for a film or a television show, click the link in the description and submit your project. You never know, Studio Binder might produce it. Thanks everyone. I'll see you when we premiere the first episode, right here.